Do we start with hey guys? No.
No, we say,
hi everyone.
Hey y'all.
Hey there.
No, say hi guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to How to Thrive in Your 20s. I'm Erika.
I'm Halle.
And today we're going to teach you all about how to deal with FOMO.
What is FOMO?
FOMO is the fear of missing out. I personally have been victimized by FOMO. I mean, I think all of us deal with it to some extent, some people less so, but if you are struggling with FOMO, there are some really easy steps you can take to make it better. So step one, recognize that you have emotional and physical limits. So think of yourself like your phone battery or something. You wouldn't take your phone out at 20%. You're not gonna take yourself out at 20% either, okay? Unless you have like a portable charger for yourself. You're gonna be miserable going out anyways. Your phone's gonna die metaphorically in the middle of the night.
Yeah, I mean, everyone has different limits to what they can do and how much energy that they have in engaging in social interactions.
So for me, I'm super extroverted and I love being around people, but I get drained.
You are not going to lose your friends if you don't go out with them every single night. So that brings us to step two. Envision your ideal day or night with no one else factored in.
This is a really great way to figure out and touch base with yourself and actually see like, what do I want right now? What do I need right now? What do I actually want to do today when I have no constraints and no one else to factor into it? I used to use this as a trick when we worked at the same summer camp as counselors.
As much as we're afraid of missing out on what other people are doing, you don't want to miss out on your own life.
Step three. Invest in a goal that you're working towards.
This is a really great way to feel grounded. If you are afraid of missing out, try to engage with something that you are really passionate about. It gives you some sort of like creative drive.
For me, it's music. If I stay home on a Friday night and I play piano the whole night or I work on a song, investing in an art or some sort of thing that I care about will always make me feel a little bit better.
If you aren't super artistic or like musically talented, like some people in my life, it's also okay to just do something that feels semi-productive along with something that's really relaxing. Maybe I'll put my laundry in or something and like fold some clothes while also watching Netflix and I'm recharging, but at the end of the night I'm like, oh, I did this thing that I otherwise wouldn't have done.
Yeah, like I swept my floor or like I made my, I don't know, you sweep your floor. I have hardwood floors, you have to sweep them. Which brings us to step four. And that is take a bath. Take a bath is the most important step. There's absolutely nothing in the world like a relaxing bath to make you feel like you want to be exactly where you are.
Plus, when you're taking a bath, you can't really bring your phone in. I know there's like waterproof phones and all that, but like you can't bring your phone in. You can't see what you're missing out on. And honestly, if you bring your phone in the bath, I kind of hope that you drop it in.
We don't care about your phones. Like, no. We don't. We care about you. But also if you care about your phone, then I guess by the transitive property, we sort of care about your phone, but for the most part, we care about you.
Step five is to invest in friends with similar goals and interests.
If you have friends who have similar interests to you, and on Saturday you guys go surfing, and on Sunday you do a day in the park, and you're gonna feel happy and good about yourself on a Friday night playing board games, because all your good friends are there.
So totally, just find the people who make you feel good about your decisions. So that's all we have for you today, and thanks so much for tuning in for How to Get Over FOMO. And it's 5 quick steps. Know your limits.
Envision your ideal night alone.
Work towards a goal.
Take a bath.
Invest in friends with similar interests. If you like this video, please subscribe to the wikiHow channel, like, comment, let us know what you want to hear more about.